Hello guys, welcome back to Dr. Tanwar's MCQs Physics. I think your basics are now enough strong in current electricity. So it is time to test your real understanding. This is part 2 Advanced Level MCQs, questions 26 to 50, designed to challenge your concepts for NEET and JEE. Pause when needed, think deeply, and avoid guessing. Let us begin the challenge. Question 26. A wire of resistance R is stretched to double its length. The new resistance will be option A R, option B 2R, option C 4R. Question 27. The drift velocity is directly proportional to option A electric field, option B current, option C potential. Question 28. Two resistors R and 2R are connected in series. The equivalent resistance will be A 3R, B R by 2, C 2R. Question 29. Two resistances R and 2R are connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance will be option A 3R, option B 2R by 3, C R by 3. Question 30. Current through a conductor increases when A. Resistance increases, B. Voltage increases, C. Length increases. Question 31. A wire is replaced with same length but double area. Resistance becomes A. Same, B. Half, C. Double. Question 32. Current density is given by A. NQV, B. NV by Q, C. Q by V. Question 33. Mobility is defined as A. V by E, B. E by V, C. I by A. Question 34. With increase in temperature, resistivity of metals A increases, B decreases, C same. Question 35. Power dissipated in a resistor is maximum when A. Resistance is maximum, B. Resistance is minimum, C. Depends on circuit. Question 36. In series combination, current is A. Same, B. Different, C. Zero. Question 37. In parallel combination, voltage is A. Same, B. Different, C. Zero. Question 38. Kirchhoff's junction rule is based on A. Energy conservation, B. Charge conservation, C. Momentum conservation. Question 39. Kirchhoff's loop law is based on A. Charge conservation, B. Energy conservation, C. Force law. Question 40. Internal resistance affect A. Current, B. Voltage, C. Both. Question 41. EMF is defined as A. Energy per unit charge, B. Charge per unit energy, C. Current per unit charge. Question 42. Terminal voltage equals EMF when A. Current flows, B. No current flows, C. Resistance is zero. Question 43. If internal resistance increases, current A increases, B decreases, C same. Question 44. Electric power in terms of resistance is A. I square R, B. I R square, C. R square I. Question 45. A cell gives maximum current when A. External resistance is 0, B. Equal to internal resistance, C. Infinite. Question 46. Efficiency of a cell is maximum when AR equals R, B R much greater than R, C R much smaller than R. Question 47. Resistivity depends on A. Material, B. Dimensions, C. Current. Question 48. Conductance is inverse of A. Resistance, B. Resistivity, C. Voltage. Question 49. If potential difference doubles, current A doubles, B halves, C same. Question 50. SI unit of conductivity is A ohm, inverse meter inverse, B ohm meter, C ohm per meter. Answers and explanation follows. Answer 26. C. Resistance becomes 4 times because length doubles and area decreases. Answer 27. A. Drift velocity is directly proportional to electric field. Answer 28. A. In series, resistances at equal to 3R. Answer 29. B. Parallel combination gives 2R by 3. Answer 30. B. Current increases with voltage. Answer 31. B. Resistance becomes half as area doubles. Answer 32. A. Current density equals NQV. Answer 33. A. Mobility equals drift velocity divided by electric field. Answer 34. A. Resistivity increases with temperature in metals. Answer 35. C. Depends on whether voltage or current is constant. Answer 36. A. Current is same in series. Answer 37. A. Voltage is same in parallel. Answer 38. B. Based on conservation of charge. Answer 39. B. Based on conservation of energy. Answer 40. C. Affects both current and terminal voltage. Answer 41. A. EMF is energy supplied per unit charge. Answer 42. B. Terminal voltage equals EMF when no current flows. Answer 43. B. Current decreases when internal resistance increases. Answer 44. A. Power equals I square R. Answer 45. A. Maximum current when external resistance is 0. Answer 46. B. Efficiency is maximum when external resistance is much smaller. Answer 47. A. Resistivity depends on material only. Answer 48. A. Conductance is reciprocal of resistance. Answer 49. A. Current doubles if voltage doubles. Answer 50. A. Unit is Siemens per meter. Checked. What is your score out of 25? If you scored above 20, you are thinking like a topper. If not, don't worry. This is exactly how improvement begins. This part 2, advanced level. Next, we go deeper into part 3, elite level plus tricky numericals, the questions that truly decide your rank. Don't break your momentum. Watch part 3 next and keep building your physics score one question at a time.